AG Labs, my name is Ben, hello and welcome to the micro soldering show on this beautiful Friday, the last day before we have bottle level repair school again here. So Andy and me, we have to work the whole weekend, and we got some students at the bottle level repair school. So secrets of micro soldering, the next module. We really like to work the whole weekend. No, it's no problem for us, we just like it. Okay, today we just do basic repair. But we do a repair in which I can show you the amazing ICC PRO. So I got an iPhone. I have to take a look what it is. I think it's an iPhone 6. Yes, it's an iPhone 6. And I will show you after I have cleaned my table just a little bit. Annie, what about my board holder? Not clean? Okay. Okay, so now we just go to the enhanced camera and let's see what we got here. Here we got an iPhone 6 and the phone doesn't judge anymore and doesn't do anything. So let's check by the amazing ICC PRO and directly instant test Tristar Hydra fail. So that's the instant test directly. You have the result on the screen. A nice function because we don't have to wait a long time. We don't have to hit any button, just one click and we directly know what about Tristar. Okay, so we got a short Tristar IC and we just want to get this thing fixed. No problem at all. I just take out the screws. And in the background you hear ultrasonic. We don't use ultrasonic for cleaning boards or things like that, just for our tools, for our board holders and things like that, because they are really ugly at the moment and we just clean them in the ultrasonic cleaning tool. Okay? So I just open the phone. Disconnect the battery. Get out the screen. Just a simple Tristar repair. I'm sure you already did that several times in your shops, but I want to show you the function of the ICC PRO. And because at the moment we really have to push that device, I want to give you some feed here how it works. Getting out all the screws. Yeah. These things you could clean too. Der Gang, würde ich sagen, Seidel, ne? Heute. Ich komme heute Abend schauen. Ich komme heute Abend schauen. Ja, das ist die ganze Woche Zeit, ich komme heute Abend schauen. So. Just losing all the screws. Losing the screws takes more time than repairing Tristar. So, now we just take out the board, lose the antenna, take that here, and I got no board holder here now because my board holder is on cleaning, but I use that. Oh yeah, okay, I use that board holder, why not? Now we just take out the shield. A minute before I started an iPhone 7 NAND repair, but the NAND wasn't readable, so I have to wait for the GSX data. So I couldn't finish that. So I swapped to the next repair, and that's just a little small tiny Tristar Repair. Okay, we just took that out, and now we can go straight under the microscope. Okay, just have to answer. Okay. Now we just go to the on-hands camera, to the microscope camera. And like always on these Tristar repairs, we just get off the coating on top of the IC. So much messages. Okay, and now what I want to do is just taking out the IC by using only solder iron. And you see, that's just quick and fast. What about my solder wick? Okay, done. Now we just take some contact cleaner, clean that PCB. Taking out the rest of the glue. That's nice. Taking again the brush, just cleaning the PCB. Take a clean room wipe. Push slightly on the board. Yes, just a Tristar repair. And now just one picture, and we need a new Tristar, I see. And did you get the Tristars at your side? No? Okay, then I have to take a look. Here it is. Okay. Just taking some flux. A new Tristar, I see. Place it. And solder it down. That's all. I see soldered back. Wait a second. Take some contact cleaner. Brush the board. Push with a wipe. See, it's done. And now we just check if that repair was successful by using our ICC PRO. Plugging on the cables and using our amazing ICC PRO. Flex test, okay, IC test, and we got activated the additional test at this device. So it's a secret at the moment, so I just cover it and you see Tristar is okay again. Tristar is okay again. So we could try to charge that device now. And we got charging current again. And you see that? Oh, don't see it good. You see the charging symbol? Okay. I just get another battery. Gibst mir gerade eine iPhone 6 Batterie bitte zum Testen, Andi? Oder David? Danke. So just take another battery. Hook up the it isn't charged too. Do you got a charged battery, David? Or from Andy? Nee. Guck mal, bei Andi liegt auf jeden Fall. Testen steht da drauf. Leg die anderen wieder dorthin, wo du sie geholt hast. Der killt dich. Nicht einfach hinlegen. So, and boom, we are back to life again with our iPhone 6 after just a little Tristar repair. After shorted Tristar IC detected by the amazing ICC PRO. Get this device. My opinion, every technician in the whole world needs that beautiful ICC PRO. It's just amazing. Okay? So, phone charging current 1.2 amps. That's nice. We just wait for the boot, and after that the next video has been done. Just a small repair, but we use the ICC PRO for the detection of the fault. And here you see, phone is back to life again. It's just an iPhone 6, so we just have to wait a little bit until it wants to do what I do. And it works nice, okay? I will now clean up the board, get back the EMI shield and get the phone assembled back together. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do it at the Bottle Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Buy an ICC PRO. That's the device for every technician in this world. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.